I need you to listen to me, and I want you to listen to me good. It is time for you to stop basing your motherfucking value off of the opinions of others. Who the fuck cares what X, Y, and Z says about you? What they fucking think about you, what they see your value at, whether you're pretty enough, you're smart enough, you have enough money. Who the fuck cares? It is time for you to stop basing your value off of their motherfucking opinions. If they ain't feeding you, fucking, or financing you, they do not get a say-so in your life. Say that with me. If they aren't feeding you, fucking you, or financing you, fuck them. Stop concerning yourself and spending your good goddamn energy on people that ain't gonna give you no energy back. Make this comeback personal. They laughed when you were down. They laughed when you were struggling. Make it motherfucking personal then. Stop saying their opinions of me or my value. Say, I'm gonna prove them motherfuckers wrong. Fuck them.